Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Plus on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And now I have stock Android. Right here I have a name. Near to the name I have this pencil icon. On some phones this icon located at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with the name. So I'm going to tap at this icon, and you can tap at the line if you have a line. Right here, write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. The most important is to click rename to save this new name. On your phone it may be not rename but done or OK or check mark or something else. Tap at that button and as you can see we just changed the name. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!